Hello everyone, my name is Mike, the IQOS Guy Canada. This is my very first video I've ever posted on YouTube. I hope you guys like it. I'm posting it because when I first heard of IQOS, when I got my first unit, I looked online for information. I looked online on YouTube, and there wasn't much information regarding IQOS in Canada. So thought it'd be a good idea that I start this channel for all of you new IQOS users. I hope you subscribe. I hope you like the video. I will be posting more on anything and everything you need to know about IQOS. So first video up is what I want to do is an unboxing of my new IQOS 3. So it comes in a box like this. This particular unit I ordered directly from the IQOS Canada site. Great thing about it, and it was a bit of a surprise. I did not know that the shipping would be same day for absolutely free. So I ordered the unit in the morning by, I think it was like 5 p.m. Someone was knocking on my door and dropped off the device. But we'll get more into the shipping maybe on another video. For now, we'll just talk about unboxing, what's in the box. So it'll arrive like this. Of course, there'll be a plastic layer around. I've already moved that. The box itself has I guess it's called a box cap. Okay, that comes right off. Box cap has the IQOS logo. The color I got is blue. That is the color of the unit inside. Of course, you have the IQOS, I guess, slogan, discreet and personal. Not sure what that means. Kind of implies something else, if you know what I mean, but there's the cap. I'll just put that over there. And the box itself is very similar to a cell phone, an iPhone or Android phone type of box. Has a bit of weight to it, barcodes, information, etc., and it is very quality packaging. So Philip Morris or Benson Hedges did a very good job on the packaging, in my opinion. So the box opens again, just like a cell phone. It opens right up. Okay, I think it feels like, yeah, there is a magnet latch on it. Opens right up. On one side, let me just move that on top here. You have your documentation. I'm not going to go through all the documentation. I don't even know if you guys can read that. Is that focusing? Yes. So welcome to IQOS. There's documentation inside on quick setup guides, warranty information, etc. Let's just put that over there. And here's the business end. So in the box, you get what the IQOS calls a holder. So this is what actually holds your heets or your cigarette. What you might consider cigarettes are actually called heets. And this is the charging unit. So let's start with the holder. Okay, so this is the holder here. So this is where you would insert your heets or your tobacco, your tiny little cigarette, whatever you want to call it. You insert it into the holder. You'll notice on one end there's a hole. There's a button with an indicator light. Let me just push that just so you guys see it lights up. And on the bottom there's a metal, I guess, contact point for the charging. Okay. Also part of this heat, you can pop off this cap. That's actually how you remove the heat after you're done using it. Won't get too much into that right now. And I will show you, though, you can remove the cap for cleaning purposes. All right? You can actually even replace the cap with other caps if you want to get fancy and accessorize and, do stuff like that. They do sell them separately, so you can change colors and, go crazy. This is the charging base, all right? Again, one I got is blue. It has a bit of weight to it. I think there's a battery in there. You'll notice that one end of this cover piece, there's a little ridge. I don't know if you guys can see that. Can you see that ridge? So the end with the ridge is where you actually apply pressure to open it. Okay, so you find the ridge, push down, and it opens right up. So let me do that again. Ridge is on this side, push down, opens right up. Okay, let's see the IQOS logo. There's your charging unit. There you go. There's a button on the charging unit with LEDs. If you push that, it should show you the battery life. There are also different blinking and lighting combinations to tell you if there's the status of your device, if there's errors, issues, or whatnot. But we'll get into that in another video. For now, this is your charging unit. Oh, one more thing, there is the USB plug on that end of it as well. If you look inside, I don't know if you can see this with the lighting, but there is the metal contact point that fits exactly with this contact point of your holder. So the good thing about this, once you're done using the heat, you simply slide it in, locks right in, lights up, and fits in snugly. You don't need to mess around with it, you just drop it in. The contact points actually even have a magnet, so it doesn't fall out. I don't know if you can tell by the angle I'm holding it on, but it doesn't fall out. It's stuck in with a magnet. Shut the door, and fits right in. You can slide this into your pocket, do whatever you need to do to have it on you, so whenever you get the urge for the next heat or the next smoke, or not even smoke, the next vape, I guess it would be, you would have it handy. Anyway, okay, so just like a cell phone, the next layer, if you open this up, it contains, let me just put this here. I'll just put this documentation there. Okay, next layer is your cleaning and care layer. Okay, you got two things. One is your cleaning tool. Next is your, I guess, they're like Q-tip sticks. Well, but I'll show you in a second. First is the cleaning tool. Now, I had a really hard time finding information on how to use this little sucker when I first got my first unit. So if I open it up, you'll notice, well, there's a cap on one side. I'll just put that there. And there's this little device / brush. I hope that's focusing. But each of these three, I don't know if you can tell, but there's like three brushy things on the inside that you will need to do, and IQOS recommends you clean the unit at least once after every 20 sticks. Okay. Again, I'll probably make another video on how to do that right. Looks simple, but there's a little bit of a technique to it. So watch out for that video. I'll put that down. And here is your the Q-tip sticks. I don't know I can't remember the technical term or what they're marketing these as, but think of them as thin, long Q-tips. All right, that are that are damp. So I think they do come in wrapped individually. Okay, I believe they are 50%. What's this? Oh, that's from my cleaning stick. They are 50%. They're damp with a 50% alcohol and 50% water solution. Again, sorry guys, camera doesn't seem to be focusing, but trust me, as part of the cleaning regimen, after every 20 sticks, you will need these. Put that there. Now, last but not least, on the last layer, we have the charging pieces. So you have your wall charger and you have your cable. Now, this cable is your standard USB cable on one end, and on the other end, you have your USB connector that goes right into the slot here. Okay, that plugs right into there. Now, the wall unit, and I'm sure everyone watching this is already familiar on what these cables are because it's exactly the same as every other cell phone out there. But one thing to note about this wall charger, IQOS or Philip Morris or Benson Hedges do recommend that you use this particular charger, not one designed for your cell phone, because according to them, they say that your standard cell phone wall charger doesn't output enough juice. Oh man, I can't even focus. Okay, anyway, you get what I mean. So use this. If you use your cell phone charger, it'll probably charge, but it'll take longer. And if you want your warranty to last, just use this, right? That USB, this USB goes in there, plug it into the wall. You know what I mean, right? And that's it. So, IQOS 3, the latest and greatest model from IQOS. This is what's in the box. Let's move everything aside. You have your wall charger, your charging cable, your cleaning Q-tips or earbuds or whatever you want to call them, the IQOS branded kind. You have your IQOS cleaning brush. You have your charger. I love this color. Okay. And inside the charger, you also have your holder. All right. There you have it. I hope you guys liked it. Hope you guys, subscribe. If you are a new IQOS user, again, I will be making more videos on anything and everything you guys need to know about IQOS in general. Hope to see you guys soon. Keep checking in. More videos to come. Thanks.